Since the rainy season still isn't over, I figured, why not get creative again? So, shout out to one of our loyal clients, Miss Jamie. She asked me to customize a phone strap for her. Her only request, a color combo of black, blue, and white, and she specifically said she wanted it to look a bit unisex or boyish, not the usual girly vibe. Challenge accepted. So I immediately searched online for some inspiration, but sadly, zero luck. Nada. I was about to give up when I asked our shop owner aka for advice, and like magic, he said, why not try a galaxy or planets concept? Instant idea unlocked. Truly, when we seek we find, when we knock it will be opened, and when we ask we receive. This experience reminded me of that powerful truth. G is truly superb. But the twist is when I checked my bead stash. Guess what? I didn't have a single bead that screamed planets. Hust. Struggle after struggle. When will this be over? Thankfully, I found some online, so I checked out right away. But it cost me 560 pesos for a project worth just 80 pesos. I didn't even know how I was going to explain this to our shop's financer. My mom, it's not that she doesn't support it. She does, but it's honestly quite pricey. Good thing G suggested I make more planet-themed phone straps to display in the shop. Anyway, mission accomplished. We pulled it off, and Miss Jamie absolutely loved it. She was super happy with the final design and the bonus part. Because of this whole project, I finally memorized the names and order of the planets. Then, just a few days later, Miss Jamie messaged us again. Turns out, one of her relatives found the strap so cool, especially since it glows in the dark, and now wants a customized one too. So thank you, Miss Jamie, for your love, patience, and endless support. You're truly one of a kind. May God bless you with abundance and all the good things in life. And thank you so much for continuously supporting our videos. Want to see the final result and other designs? Come visit the shop. You might just spot your next favorite accessory. Ciao!